I was very pleased to see this piece of news in Nagaland Tribune again, which spoke about the Tahoe Bikers Ride, which was organized in Kohima on 10th of May. And it was purposely done with the objective of creating awareness regarding safety. And it was titled, the theme given to it was Ride Safe, Ride Smart, Wear a Helmet. And there were around 80 bikers apparently which participated in this Tahoe Bikers Ride, which began from the NPSC office, El Khel, and concluded at the Naga Heritage Village, Kisama. This really is very important because a lot of accidents take place because you're not wearing a helmet, you're not careful, you try to speed up, and not just speed up, you're trying to show some weird kind of performances on the road. I don't know what young people especially try to do. And it's not only young people. It could be somebody who's middle-aged, who has a very fancy bike and who does it. And this ride apparently was flagged off by the Deputy Commissioner of Kohima, B. Henok Bukem. And this is good because here the administration, the citizens, they're all working in tandem, and this is what is required. And he also said, the deputy commissioner also said that it was very important that the participants ride safely, and this is appreciated by all of us. And the importance of making people aware, because life is very precious, and I have seen a lot of news about accidents. I wouldn't say that I've seen a lot of accidents, but of course all of us know about the accidents which take place because sometimes you're careless, you're reckless about the way you're driving, and therefore it is very important for all of us to create awareness on this, and this is really welcome. The news item also says that the regional manager of Vega Auto Accessories, Dam, also addressed the participants, encouraging them to remain aware of road safety and to always obey traffic rules. And therefore, this becomes even more important. The administration, the citizens, and also those who are actually dealing in helmets and other accessories, they are also becoming participants of this program. So I hope that this will create a healthy awareness, and people will be careful, especially young people, because trying to indulge in wheeling and whatever you call it, the bike somersaulting, etc. It's pretty scary, and I've been seeing it all my life as a youngster also. And as I've grown older, I see a lot of people trying to show off their expertise at handling a bike while indulging in these antiques and whatever you call them. They could be specialized abilities that you might have, but it is very scary for normal people like us. And therefore this event, which is conducted by Tahoe, is a welcome one and should be done everywhere. Please remain safe while you're driving a bike.